Meet Bonnie, our new baby hognose snake. Bonnie is one of 8 snakes on display at the KU Natural History Museum who needs our utmost care and attention. Our snakes are just one of the many captivating live exhibits that visitors can enjoy at the museum. Another fan favorite is the beautiful ferns and horsetails in the Paleo Garden. Have you met the majestic Cyathea cooperi? Its graceful, sweeping fronds serve as a reminder of the evolutionary history of plant life.
Did you know that the KU Natural History Museum is also home to an observational bee tree that has been on display since the 1970s? Generations of college students, families, and museum staff alike can't get enough of this bustling beehive.
Then there's Bill and his anole friends, who are masters of camouflage, effortlessly blending into their surroundings. They are so good at hiding in plain sight. Students love the thrill of spotting these elusive creatures. If they can find them, that is.
Wait, the museum hosts field trips too?
Yes, our informal science education team offers interactive workshops and programs that make museum visits unforgettable for K-12 students. Thanks to generous donations, the museum has awarded $6,600 in program and bus fees last year.
That's incredible. I remember seeing those groups exploring Bugtown, wide-eyed as they watch velvet ants and other insect pals up close.
During this year's One Day 1KU, we are asking for your help to keep our live exhibits thriving and to inspire young learners in the museum.
Curiosity starts here at the KU Natural History Museum, but today it begins with your One Day 1KU gift.